Saving money in an environment of high interest rates can be challenging, but there are effective strategies that you can use. First, you got to focus on savings accounts or certificates of deposit, which are CDs. These accounts typically offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Next, consider paying off high interest debt. Prioritizing credit cards or loans with high interest rates can save you money in the long run, as the interest can accumulate quickly. Now, if you're in the market for a loan, shop around for the best rates. Even small differences can have a significant impact on your overall payments. All right. Another strategy is to take advantage of fixed rate loans. If you can secure a low fixed rate now, you'll be protected from potential future increases. All right. Additionally, review your budget and identify non-essential expenses that you can cut. Redirect those savings towards your financial goals or into savings. All right. Finally, consider investing in assets that historically perform well during high interest periods, such as certain stocks or bonds. This can provide better returns than traditional saving methods. All right? By implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage your finances and save money even when interest rates are high.